Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30452. This is Iron Man and Dum-E. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I am planning on doing one of these Polybag build-alongs a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I have done one of these a day for the recent past. So there's a bunch of them already up on my channel if you like this kind of thing, and there's many more on the way. Alright, so, and if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, I've included a link to the brick set description. Alright, so let's check this out. So, it looks like putting him together is a little more involved than normal. Alright, so, got that. And then we have this, which is going to attach to the flying stand. So let's see. So, okay, that's kind of cool. So we have like, okay, I don't get the picture. Maybe this is the reflection of the inside of the helmet. And then get old Tony's face. That's strange. I don't know, that's weird. But let's get him all dressed up and ready to go. So we got the Iron Man helmet here, and this kind of just flips together, I think, like so. Yeah, and it flips up, which is really neat. Alright, so I got that. We got his helmet, so you can flip his helmet and see him. And then he's got the repulsors on his hands, and like so. Maybe like so? Like so. Wow. Alright. Alright, repulsor number 1 and repulsor number 2. So this is supposed to be from, I guess, maybe the first Iron Man movie? Is that the plan here? And then, so for this, where's the, oh, it's right in front of me. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so you get like a metallic looking vent thing. Like so. And this attaches to the dish down here. Also like so. And he gets some fire for his feet. Maybe he gets some fire for his feet. Oh, he needs to be standing on something before he gets some fire for his feet. There we go. Now he gets some fire for his feet. It was seeming like there was difficulty with his foot fire. Alright. So, fire for the feet. And then we attach him here, like so. And, oops, we drop him. Try this again. I feel like I'm emulating his original practice at this. There's not a better way to stick him to this. It doesn't seem like it attaches very well. Alright, so this is what we got. We got the stand, and he's attached, and he's flying. So we'll set him over here. Oh, he's back in the camera, isn't he? camera back a little bit. We don't want him to accidentally bump into the camera while he's flying around, because he did not have good luck when he was flying before. Alright. Now the next thing we got to do is we got to put together his little robot assistant. And that starts with a 1x3 and one of these. Slide that over there. Let's slide this so y'all can see it. And that. And then this. Alright. So that gets us to there. And then, yeah, so that, and then this goes in through here, and that goes on top, and I made 2 of these. All right, fair enough. Oh, okay. These are going to simulate the wheels. I gotcha. That makes sense now. Might have actually been cooler to have it actually have little wheels. But sometimes things just don't work out that way, I guess. So, I'm feeling like this set is very much to get the Iron Man. And I don't know. The Dum-E part seems like it's sort of a kind of a tacked on thing. But I mean, I guess maybe that's how most of these sets are that are very focused on the minifig. It's like you're getting it, they're assuming you're getting it for the minifig, and so they don't really have a lot for the rest of it. Alright, so I got those 2, and then this snaps in here and here, like so. So that gives us our little roller thing, and then like so, and like so. This is that. And then lastly, we have this, and this inserts into it, like so. And this clips here. Okay. And then, weird. Alright, let's try this again. So that clips there. This clips here. And we add some fire to it. Goes. And then this attaches right here. I got that. These are our extra pieces. Actually, kind of a surprising number of extra pieces. And this is that. Yeah, I think this is mainly for the Iron Man. Still, it's kind of a cool Iron Man setup. I wish this part stuck better. It just doesn't seem like it wants to stay. Like maybe there needs to be an extra piece there or something. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think. Is this an Iron Man that needs to get added to your Iron Man collection? Or not? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.